Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. B's short English lesson. Today we talk about the simple present. We use the simple present when we talk about things that happen often, sometimes, regularly, never, usually, always, every week, again and again. These are the so-called signal words for the simple present. Let's look at some examples. Every Monday I go to my guitar lesson. The verb is to go in this sentence, and when we talk about tenses, like the simple present, we must look at the verb. The verb is to go, and when you make a sentence in the simple present with I, you put go in the sentence. No to, only go. Every Monday I go to my guitar lesson. We do our homework every day. Every day, signal word for simple present, so the verb to do is do in the sentence. Here are two more examples. These are different. She plays football every Tuesday. Again, every Tuesday is a signal word for the simple present. The verb is play in the sentence, but here we have she, and when we have she we need an S in the end of the verb, so it's she plays football every Tuesday. He likes muffins. Again, the verb is to like, so we put like in the sentence, but we have he and we need a S again in the end, so the sentence is he likes muffins. What you have to remember is he, she, it. The S is a hit. So when you have he, she, or it in a sentence, you have to put the verb in the sentence and add an S in the end. So here are all the examples for I like muffins or you like muffins, and you can see he, she, it, you have the S in the end of the verb. We have to take a closer look at the he, she, it, S. Because after S sounds, like watch or finish, you have ES. So, for example, she watches TV on Wednesdays. And there are also some special forms, some irregular forms when you have he, she, it as like do and go. She does her homework in the afternoon and he goes home after school are two very good examples here. So much for the simple present, positive sentences. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.